So, Paul, can you tell us the secret? How are these changes possible?
Yeah, well, first of all, I think you need the senior team and in particular the support of the CEO. Without that, you're just not going to make things happen. You're going to have to understand that from the first workshop, you need to work together as a team, and a huge effort is required by everybody. Some people are going to fall by the wayside. This is normal. For success, I think the core team must really pull together, and they've got to change their habits and behaviors. And if they do that, you'll see that changing throughout the organization. You should not tolerate mediocrity. We often find that people will take more accountability and more ownership as a result. The leadership team must practice what they preach. There's one rule for all. Communication must be crystal clear, and there has to be a really clear vision so that everybody knows where they're going, so they can see that the future is better than the present. We often follow up Be Ready for Change and Be Engaged workshops with Be a Great Leader workshop for the senior leadership team about 6 months later. We often say, wow, what a difference 6 months make. It's always a pleasure to work with people who want to be there, who want to make a difference, who don't leave their hearts and souls at the door. They come to work with a really positive attitude every day. And we just find it really remarkable. We often say to ourselves, just to think, this all started with the B story. We believe we really make a difference to people's lives, both personally and professionally. And we're really proud of what we do. We love working with our clients. This is really what gets us out of bed in the morning, when we witness these positive transformations. We want to continue to make a difference to people's lives. We honestly believe that we're achieving this in every workshop and in every interaction. And we look forward to working with you in the future.